Hello F1 parents and children. I just thought I'd give you a quick tutorial on how to navigate your way around Purple Mash. So you should have all received your Purple Mash logins to your email for your child. So these are the personal logins that will use every time you want to use the site. So you have access to what we call Mini Mash on the Purple Mash website. So this is all early years based. So when you log in using your login details, this is the screen you will immediately come to. So this is the, like I say, the early years section of the Purple Mash website, which is suitable for nursery age children. There are some reception age appropriate activities on here as well. So if your child does need a little bit more of a challenge, then you are welcome to access those. But I just thought I'd give you a little bit of a show around of the website to show you how to use it, obviously as it is new to everybody. So basically, if you log in, this is where you will come to. So up here, there's a getting started video, which you can watch that will help you to remind you of how to navigate your way round. So that's probably a really, really good place to start. So basically how it works is there are lots of different areas of the site to cover different areas of the curriculum. So over here we've got phonics. So when you scroll over it, you will hear the sound of what the area is. So don't worry if you forget what they are, but we've got a maths section, we've got a game section. We've got Simple City up here, which is like the understanding of the world. So in there, there's lots of topic-based things. So up here, you've got some different pinned activities, and arts and crafts things that you can access. If you head on out of the door, click on the door. This is the expressive arts section. So we've got some painting and drawing, there's a role play section, there's a music section, and again some pinned activities at the top, which are kind of arts and crafts based up there. So if we head back inside, I just want to draw your attention to this section here. So this is the Simple City. So in here we've got different spaces that the children can access. There's park, there's a farm, there's a building site, there's a hospital, a cafe, a vets, a zoo. And just for example, if we click on the garden centre, seeing as we've been learning all about planting and growing, this is quite appropriate at the moment. So there's some videos that the children can watch on the garden centre, but there's also activities that they can access. So for example, if we just go into this one, this is a garden activity where the children can create their own garden. So they'll just drag
plant
some bits up there. They can water.
Watering can.
To help the plants grow.
Box.
They can plant some seeds.
Peas. Carrots.
And there, then if they water them.
Watering can.
They can help those to grow as well. And then they can put
Peas.
some labels in there to remember what they've planted. So this might be a really good place for the children to start, as we have been on this topic. They can have a little explore of that game and navigate their way around. So if I just take you back to the arts and crafts area, for example, if we look up here, there's some different activities that are already pinned. So if we go into, say, the birthday cake, there might be a video attached to it, but the children can have a go at decorating the birthday cake. So if we just put, for example, some sprinkles on there, do some candles, like that. When you go to leave the activity, if you want to save it, each child has got their own tray. So if you just save it into that tray, you can put a name on it. So I'm going to put my birthday cake and save. if you go into this section here on this page, you'll view the tray, and then there is your tray there. And if you click on it, it will take you to your artwork there. So everything that you do can save in there. Now, the good thing about this is that if you go and save things in there, then I can log into my account and I can view all of the children's trays, so I can see what they got up to and things that their activities that they've saved and drawings that they've made. When you go into your page, your child's photo will be here, so they will be able to tell that that is their tray. So if we go back, so I will allow you just to log in and have a play around with it. If you've got any questions, then please do let me know. But like I say, there's so many different sections and bits to explore on here. Really lovely educational games for the children to engage with while they're learning at home. So yeah, I hope you have fun with this. And like I say, if you've got any questions, then do just let me know. So when you log in today, please start by watching the Getting Started video, and that should just give you a bit more detail about how to navigate your way around this. Enjoy, and I'll speak to you later.